Okay, Michael, we're in the next learning environment and you're the star of the show here. So
Right.
up you come. Do we need to move this mat? Is this moving around a bit? Let's just
Let's move down.
yeah.
Try it.
Okay, right. Now, what I want you to do for this particular segment,
Yeah.
okay, I want you to make your stance, if you like, without the ball for a minute. Okay, let's get you making your stance. Now, what I want you to do, once you've made your stance, I want you to just twist the club very slightly in your hands, okay, and maybe open it slightly, okay?
Right.
And then I want you to hit it, okay, hit a couple of shots like that. And then when you've done that, I want you to do exactly the same, but I want you to close it slightly and just hit a couple of shots and let's just see what happens.
Right.
Okay, that's all you've got to do, simple as that. I'm just asking you to do that just for the minute. So one with an open stance and one with open blade, and just carry on and hit it. Okay, couple of shots. Good. Let's hit one more. Hit them as low as you can. Whatever you want to do. Yeah, just go ahead and hit them. Right, was that with the open blade?
Yeah.
Okay. Just one thing of note there, just worth noticing, is that that shot went pretty straight. It didn't go out to the right, okay? But let's just try it with the slightly closed one again. Or for the first time. Right, that'll do, because what we noticed is that went dead straight. I think that's fair to say.
Right.
So probably both of them went dead straight, to some degree. Is that is that reasonable to say?
Yeah, it wasn't a great deal of movement on it.
No. So what we realised, so it's worth knowing, this is just to learn, is that what we realised is we've got a subconscious. I didn't really tell him to do much, but what he realised is subconscious actually picked it up and attempted to hit a straight shot anyway.
Right.
Okay, even though the club face, technically, by opening the club face like that, if we worked as machines, what would have happened is that ball would have gone miles right,
Yeah.
would have gone a long way right, wouldn't it? And if you, by the closed club, it would have gone a long way left. That's what would have happened if we worked like machines, which is very much when we do a lot of coaching and when we think about our swings, and we actually treat ourselves as if we're machines. But what you start to realise is a lot going on without us even knowing it. His subconscious automatically picked it up and was able to, you could see it just trying to hit the ball straight.
Yeah.
Now, that's not the point though of this learning environment, that's just something that's worth noting. So I'm going to ask him to do exactly the same thing, but this time what I want him to do is to experience, we'll start with the open club face, and I want him to experience left to right spin. I know he can do this, he's a good player, but whether you're a beginner or whether you're a tour player, I want you to do exactly the same thing, and there's a very good reason. This is part of our learning environment. I want him to get the feeling of spinning the ball left to right. So he's going to open the club face, and I want to ask him not to try and hit a straight shot. And I'm going to ask him just to experience putting left to right spin on the ball and gain that feeling. Now the ball, if he gets left to right spin, will spin off to the right, obviously. Okay, so that's all I want you to do, just experience left to right spin. So do exactly